In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photo background in CapCut. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open your project in CapCut and make sure you're in the main editor view. On your canvas or preview area, click on the photo or clip whose background you want to change. You can also select it directly from the timeline at the bottom. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around it and its settings appear on the right side of your screen in the Properties panel. With your photo selected, look over to that Properties panel and find the section labeled Smart Tools. Click on that to expand it. Inside Smart Tools, choose Remove Background. Once you've opened that, turn on the option for automatic background removal. This tells CapCut to detect your subject and cut out everything behind it. At this point, you might notice that nothing seems to happen right away on the canvas, and that's completely normal. Instead of staring at the preview, look down at your photos track on the timeline. You should see a progress indicator showing that CapCut is processing the background removal. This can take a bit of time, depending on your internet connection, the length and resolution of your media, and the performance of your device. While it's processing, try not to click around or switch clips so the tool can finish smoothly. Once the progress bar reaches the end, check your canvas again. You should now see your subject cleanly cut out, with the original background removed. If the edge looks a little rough, you can usually fine-tune it later, but for most photos, the automatic tool does a solid job. Now it's time to actually change the background. Head back to the Properties panel on the right. You'll see options that let you choose what kind of background you want to add behind your subject. Decide whether you'd like a simple, plain color background or a more formatted, designed background. If you want a solid color, switch to the Color tab and browse through the available shades until you find the one that fits your style. If you'd prefer a formatted background, switch to that tab and scroll through the different presets and designs. When you find a background you like, simply click on it. CapCut will automatically apply it behind your cutout subject in the project. Take a moment to play through the preview and make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background of your photo in CapCut.